Furnus serves as a venerable dreadnought of the Iron Hands chapter during the era Indomitus. Once a chaplain of the Raucan clan, with his injury by the traitor Titan, Angron's fist, Furnus would be severely wounded. Entombed within his dreadnought sarcophagus, Furnus as a member of the Iron Tenth revered those who ascended to such a form and resolved to prove worthy of such an honor. Remaining within his chassis for 4,000 years, Furnus has proven crucial to many victories of his chapter, such as the Wars of Dawnbreak, Foradeka, Helmgard, Fenof's World, and Nightmare Spire. Among the most senior officers of Clan Raucan, the Dreadnought Chaplain is a wealth of wisdom to his kin, and regularly provides counsel during conflict and spiritual strife. Marching into battle at the spearhead of his Dreadnought peers, Furnus bellows canticles of war as his gigantic form crushes all who oppose the Emperor and the Omnissiah. Changing his chassis for that of a modernized Redemptor classification following the birth of the Great Rift, Furnus currently serves within the strike force, Wrath of Medusa. Culling the Xenos within the mining worlds of the Glaciaic Strait, Furnus stands as a champion of his chapter by upholding the virtues and stubborn resolve of the Gorgon.